Bird kingdom, plants and animals. Recognize the following unique birds by their characteristic features. This is the largest, strongest and heaviest bird that has the largest eyes among all land animals. Ostrich. This is the smallest bird and only bird which can fly backwards. Hummingbird. This is the biggest seabird. Albatross. These are the biggest birds to form large flocks. Flamingos. This is the bird with the sharpest vision. It is also the fastest flying bird. Peregrine falcon. This is the most airborne bird. Sooty tern. This bird has the longest beak. Australian pelican. This bird has the longest feathers. Phoenix fowl. This bird builds the biggest nest. Mallee fowl. It is the smelliest bird, having an odor similar to cow dung. South American Hudson. It is the most intelligent and talkative bird. African grey parrot.